The Acura NSX intends to fill a niche that barely exists, but for those who seek a daily driver supercar with some hybrid cred, no less, this is your ride. The original NSX, which was phased out of production in 2005, provided easy, day-to-day livability minus the green, exotic looks, otherworldly performance, a compliant ride, and comfortable space for 2 adults and a reasonable amount of cargo. Aside from the original generous cargo space, the reborn NSX checks all the same boxes and kicks things up a notch with above-average fuel economy thanks to its hybrid powertrain and electric-only driving capabilities. It certainly looks the part of a supercar, but a DOES and quite hit the exotic mark on the inside, where evidence of parts sharing with lesser Acuras casts a decidedly down-market shadow. To say that the second-generation NSX shares nothing with the first-generation, the production of which ended in 2005, would be an understatement. From its carbon fiber and aluminum-intensive construction to its all-wheel drive hybrid electric powertrain, the NSX was completely reimagined for 2017. Despite being modernized, the NSX does draw inspiration from the original. Its easygoing nature and excellent outward visibility are still its best features, making it more usable than most supercars when driven daily.